Have you ever grown broccoli and it stayed small and never formed proper heads, or it bolted before you could harvest it? Please know that you did not fail. Most broccoli problems begin with planting at the wrong time. So broccoli is a cool season crop and it must mature during cooler temperatures in order to form large, tight, tender heads. So if it matures during the heat, the heads will stay small, they loosen up, and they turn bitter. And this is where many gardeners struggle. They plant when it feels warm, and they plant when everyone else is planting tomatoes, and by then it really is too late. So here on the farm, we don't guess. We count backwards from our frost date and start the seeds at the correct time for our zone. So broccoli seeds should be started indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before your last expected spring frost. This gives the plants time to grow strong roots and healthy leaves before transplanting outside. When it is ready to form a head, the weather is still cool, and that makes all the difference. So let's walk through this zone by zone so you can feel confident. All right, in zones 9 and 10, broccoli grows best as a fall and winter crop. So start the seeds indoors in mid to late September and then transplant them into the garden as the temperatures begin to cool in October. So spring broccoli often struggles here because the heat arrives too quickly. In zone 7 and 8, start seeds indoors in late January or February for a spring harvest. Transplant into the garden 4 weeks before your last average frost date. For fall harvest, start the seeds in August and transplant them in September after the summer heat has subsided. All right, in zones 5 and 6, which is our zone here on the farm, we start broccoli indoors in February and transplant it into the garden in April. Now in zones 3 and 4, go ahead and start your seeds in March or early April and transplant them into the garden in May. Once your seedlings have 4 to 6 true leaves, begin hardening them off for about a week and then transplant them 12 to 18 inches apart in rich soil. So when broccoli matures in the cool weather, you will have crisp, sweet, tight, formed heads that are beautiful and satisfying. When it matures in the heat, you will harvest heads that are stressed, and the heads can be uneven. You know, timing is really everything. So if you'd like to know exactly when to start, not just broccoli, but the top 15 vegetables for a productive garden, I created a free guide for you. It's called When and How to Start the Top 15 Vegetables for a Productive Garden. So this free guide walks you through step by step what to plant, when to plant it in your zone, and how to grow strong seedlings from the very beginning. You can download it using the link in the description below. If you start your seedlings at the right time, your garden will reward you.